Hello friends, myself Vidya Agrawal from Knowledge Lab. In this tutorial, we will learn about basic elements of C. First, that is C tokens. C tokens are the basic building blocks in C language which are constructed together to write a C program. Every smallest individual unit in a C program are known as tokens. There are basically 6 types of tokens. First, keywords, identifiers, constants, strings, special symbols, operators, etc. Secondly, we will learn about keywords. Keywords are the predefined words in C compiler. They are also called as reserved words. Each keyword is meant to perform a specific function in C program. Keywords cannot be used as a variable or function name. Keywords are the meaningful words whose meaning is already known to C compiler. We cannot change the meaning of keywords. White spaces are not allowed in the keywords. There are basically 32 types of keywords. Some of them are int, float, char, double, if, else, switch, case, etc. So these were some keywords. Now what is identifier? Identifier is a name given to each program individual element like variable, function, array, etc. in a C program. It is made up from combination of alphabets, digits and underscore. It allows us to identify the variable, function or array. There are some rules for constructing identifier which are: first character should be an alphabet or underscore. Succeeding characters might be digits or letters. Punctuations and special characters aren't allowed except underscore. Identifiers should not be the keywords. So this was all about identifiers. Last, data types. C data types are defined as the data storage format that a variable can store a data to perform a specific operation. That is, data type allow us to know what type of data a variable can store. Size of variables, constants and array are determined by data types. Data types are used to define a variable before to use in a program. Every data type occupies different memory space and value. The void is also valid data type in C. There are 4 data types in C language which are: first, basic data types such as integer, character, float, double. Second, enumerated types, that is enum. Derived data type, that includes pointer, array, structure, union. And lastly, void data type, which includes void. Now I will get you to know the size of each data type. First, character, 1 byte. Second, integer, 2 bytes. Third, float, 4 bytes. Double, 8 bytes. And void, 0. So this was all about data types. Now we will learn about categories of data. There are 2 categories. First, that is constants, and second, that is variables. First, constants. Constants are also like normal variables, but the only difference is that their values cannot be modified by the program once they are defined. Constants refer to the fixed values. They are also called as literals. The syntax for creating constants is as below. Const is the keyword, and then followed by data type, variable name is equals to value. I will show you an example. Float here is the keyword, that is data type. I is the name of variable and 3.14 is the constant value assigned to that variable. Now float is a constant variable and we cannot change the value of pi in our rest of program. There are 6 types of constants. First, integer constants, real constants, character constants, string constants, octal and hexadecimal constants, backslash character constants. Now we will learn about variables. We need data to perform any kind of calculations. So in computer science, these values are stored in some memory spaces. We give the name to such memory spaces which is called as variables. So we easily store, retrieve, reuse or change the values of this memory spaces through the variable name. Some points that you must remember about variables are: first, C variable is named location in a memory where a program can manipulate the data. This location is used to hold values of the variables. The value of the C variable may get changed in the program. C variable declared using valid data type like integer, float, character will be valid only. Variable should be declared in C program before using it, otherwise the compiler generates error. Variable hold garbage value when it is declared, so you must assign a value 0 to it. The syntax for creating variable is as follows. First, take a valid data type, then variable name, semicolon. You can also initialize the variable at the time of declaration. Equals to value. This is how can you initialize it. For example, this is how you can initialize the variables, and for declaring, just take the variable in semicolon. This is how you can create or declare a variable. Now we know how to create variables and constants. Now we will get to know about the types of variables. There are 2 types of variables. First, local variable. The scope of local variable will be within the function only in which it is declared. These variables are declared within the function and cannot be accessed outside the functions. These variables have scope with one function and are not visible to any other function rather than itself. Second type of variables are global variables. The scope of global variables will be throughout the program. These variables can be accessed from anywhere in the program. This variables is defined outside the main function so that this variable is visible to main function and all the other sub-functions. So this was all about the basic elements of C language which you must know for learning C. Thank you.